Stop paying senior developers. This single prompt turns GPT-4 into a principal engineer and audits your legacy code in seconds. Most developers try to use GPT-4 as a glorified spell checker. They ask, "Find bugs in this code." That's like asking an intern to review a system designed by a genius. To truly automate a high-level audit, you must stop treating GPT as an executor and start treating it as a simulation. You are simulating the highest level of technical scrutiny. The solution lies in constructing a multi-layered persona. We aren't asking it to check code. We are appointing the principal engineer. This prompt needs to establish not just the role, but also the asterisk lens asterisk through which they view the code. Are they security experts? Performance bottlenecks hunters? Architectural purity advocates? So, the prompt starts by setting the context. You are a principal engineer specializing in scalable microservice architectures. This sets the high bar for competence. Crucially, you must enforce constraints. This is the guardrail section. You tell GPT, do not merely fix bugs, identify the asterisk root cause asterisk and suggest systemic improvements. This is where you move beyond linting. You force the AI to think like a human lead who has seen this architectural pattern fail before, perhaps 5 times over. Next, the input. Don't just dump the file. You must provide context. Dependency maps, deployment environment specs, and the original developer's intent. The AI cannot fix what it doesn't understand. If you only feed it the function body, its audit is shallow. You must give it the whole ecosystem. Finally, the output format. Never accept a wall of text. You must demand structure, provide findings as 3 sections, critical flaws, performance risks, and suggested refactoring path. This forces the AI to prioritize its findings and synthesize complex issues into digestible, actionable tasks, exactly like a paid human report. If you follow these steps, persona, constraints, context, structured output, you have moved beyond a simple coding assistant. You have built an automated technical gatekeeper. In the coming segments, we'll walk through a full example, auditing a buggy authentication service. We'll see how this prompt handles race conditions and insecure defaults. Watch how the principal engineer persona flags a seemingly minor variable name choice as a potential maintenance nightmare down the line. It's not about making GPT find the bug. It's about making it predict where the next 5 bugs will hide. This is the difference between a coding tool and a true strategic technical partner. If this deep dive helped you elevate your AI workflows, consider subscribing. We break down the bleeding edge of prompt engineering every week.